We also use multiple methods to determine training costs. Accounting methods provide the most objective data because it's based on a historical record of previous expenditures, on receipts. Another method to determine costs is the resource requirements model, which identifies the type and quantity of resources that we need to meet the training requirements at each stage of the development process, from needs assessment to evaluation. We can then compare these costs across programs. Are we spending more on the evaluation of some programs than we should be, given the significance of the investment? We need to consider both the direct costs, for which receipts can be found, and the indirect costs that are less obvious. Again, stakeholders can be incredibly helpful in identifying these hidden costs. These costs are not only useful in ROI calculations, they also help us make decisions about programs. We can also compare the costs of 2 or more programs. When determining costs, we need to consider both the direct costs, for which receipts can be found, and the indirect costs that are less obvious. Again, stakeholders can be incredibly helpful in identifying these hidden costs. You can view additional examples of potential training benefits and costs on this page. On the next page, you will practice calculating ROI.